I just got through feeding the goats, and these guys decided to follow me. They've never been on this side of the creek before. They walked all the way up to the garden and crossed the bridge, and they're following me all the way down here. I've been trying to get them over here for weeks. There's all kinds of good grazing over here for them. Bugs and grasses, and bugs and grass. But they won't come over here. They're over here now. Aren't you, foghorn? Goofy. Chicken noodle soup. Okay, I'm getting those bugs off that dead stump. I know what that is. Oh well. So much for that. I'm trying to get them to go in. It's bedtime. Then I can come back and feed the fish. You can't. Yeah, you can see them. Look at all those fish in there. I'm gonna have to come back here in just a couple minutes and record this, because there's a bunch of them.